Sir, correct answer is C. No, C is not the correct answer. Yeah, it will be calcium plus 2. Ah, no, no. Option A will not be. See the Z by E value. I think it is 0.7. For N minus 3, it is, yeah, the correct option. So you have to use Z by E value. Did you understand? So option D is correct. But let me find out what is the time actually. 42. So, okay, children, during doubt clearance class, we will discuss the exact value, okay? Exact value of Ca plus 2, we will calculate with data and we'll have a nice proof. Okay, we'll use data. Till then, I will use the data. I'll try to find out the data and there we can discuss. So, we can, okay, answer D is correct. But with data wise also, I will put the information so that you can get a total confidence. Please show number 2 once. Number 2 is S minus 2. It is having 16 Z, but electrons are 18. N contain 2 cells only. Okay, but it becomes anion. It becomes anion. So I will give you the data actually. I am not having right now. If any data is available, I can give you. Wait, I can give you data now only. Calcium plus 2, radius is 100 pm, 100 picometer. 100 picometer means 100 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Okay. So if you convert into this one, so 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter means 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom, okay. 10, 1 angstrom. And N minus 3. N minus 3 is having 1.73, 1.7 N minus 3, 1.71 angstrom. Children, see the difference. So our answer D is correct, children. So we have to calculate Z by E value every time, children. Z by E value. You have to calculate Z by E value with irrespective of which period they are, irrespective. If it is cation, generally when it is cation, children. So option D is correct. You can find out the data. So I think this is clear. I have given you the data also. No, option A is not correct. Question was question was smallest radius. Which will have smallest radius? Smallest radius. So for Z by E value of n minus 3 is 0.7. Okay. And for this, how much it is? For calcium, I think it is, I think for calcium, it is 1.1, I think. 20 divided by 18. 1 point something. So those who have high Z by E value will have less atomic radius or ionic radius, children. Did you understand, everybody? So there will be, yes, there will be some problem with some student, those who think that it is of second orbit and calcium is of from third orbit or like this. Okay. So it should be bigger, but no, we have to think about Z by E value because they are ions. Okay. And final answer, final opinion will come from the data. You please see the data of n minus 3, s minus 2, k plus, and Ca plus 2. Then only you will get a proper idea, children. Next, move to the next question. It is very difficult to digest. It is very difficult to digest, but this is the reality, children. That only they will ask in the objective type. Okay. So what we are reading, please follow properly. These are ions, and for ions, especially cations, okay, we have to think about the Z by E ratio. Okay, children. Shall I move forward to the next question? Okay, right. No, yesterday there was no doubt clearance classes. Some exam was going on. Okay, so I'm moving to the next. Okay, what's the time? So it's time is over, children. So we would have done one more question, but anyhow, did you understand, children? In this way, we have to follow, and after completing a particular topic, we'll go through this objective type of session. There we will utilize everything what we know. Okay, children? So I hope you have gained lot in this objective session. In this way, we have to solve the problem and find out the correct answer. Okay, any doubt, please come to the doubt clearance classes. Shall I stop sharing? Shall I end meeting? Okay. Okay, bye. Bye. Thank you for participating, and bye for everybody. Bye-bye.